Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the amp's model and rated power so you match speakers correctly. This prevents damage. Once done, keep the amp powered off and route source cables, RCA or XLR, to the proper inputs. Make speaker connections using secure banana, spade, or bare wire terminations and the recommended wire gauge. Make sure grounds and fuses are correct. This protects gear. Then visually inspect all connections and cable routings so you can power up safely for the next calibration steps. You now establish clean signal flow. Verify preamp outputs go into the amp's intended channels and confirm any external crossover placement. Start with all gain and trim pots at minimum. This prevents speaker damage when you first apply power. Using test tones or music at low volume, raise input gain until the amp's level LEDs or meters reach nominal. Next, set crossover frequencies and slopes so each driver gets the correct band. This reduces distortion and simplifies final EQ work. You perform a controlled power-up. Enable source and preamp first, then take the amp off standby while muted. Play a low-level test tone or familiar track and slowly increase volume, listening for distortion, hum, or clipped peaks. Watch amp temp and protection LEDs. Once clean, optimize EQ and fine-tune gain for headroom. If you encounter persistent hum or clipping, check grounding points, verify speaker impedance matches the amp. Lower input trim and inspect fuses. Those steps solve most common faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.